This take on classic slaw gets its sweetness from the addition of apples and raisins. Learn how to make an apple raisin coleslaw with this quick and easy recipe brought to you by recipes.net. In a bowl, add the shredded cabbage, carrot, and apple. Add in the raisins, then mix to combine. In another bowl, add the mayonnaise, granulated sugar, vinegar, and milk. Season with salt and ground black pepper, then mix to combine. Pour it into the cabbage mixture and add more milk or mayonnaise if the mixture is too dry. Mix to combine. Let it chill in the refrigerator before serving. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.